Good evening. Now we are going to tell the weather report for yesterday. In the United States of America, the weather wasn't good. In the Dallas was a big tornado. In the Canada was a bad weather too. It was 3 degrees. In the Russia was a good weather. In the Moscow was 33 degrees. In the China wasn't a good weather. It was 13 degrees. In the Australia was too hot. It was 38 degrees. This is the weather for yesterday. Goodbye.
Good evening. We tell you the weather report for today. In the America, weather is good, but in Canada and in Alaska, weather is bad. In the Russia, in Moscow, weather is too bad. Is 35 degrees. In the France, in Paris, weather is good, and in Germany, weather is good with sun. In China, weather is bad, and in Turkey, weather is bad. In Australia, weather is good and very hot. It's 45 degrees. In Africa, it's too hot. In Nigeria, is 45 degrees. This is the weather report for today. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Good evening. This is the weather report for tomorrow. We will start with America. In America, the weather was bad, and it was with too much snow. But in the South America, the weather was very good and with snow, with sun. In Russia, the weather will be very bad. But in Europe, the weather will be good and very sunny. In Africa, the weather will be also sunny and 30 degrees. But with the most degrees, it will be Australia with 45 degrees. And in China, the weather will be 20 degrees and it will not be so hot, but it will be a normal temperature. Goodbye, see you tomorrow for the weather report. I am Alban Kafedji.